Akhalaiba students na Lunalen Haukip handaki akogi science stream school city oina top result bani along with the parents. That's a token of love from the school. This is accepted because of giving our token of love. And that's how you remember the school.
One, two, three, 1, 2.
That's so good. Thank you so much. I just want parent to ask one thing. Why don't you share something? How is studying the school?
My name is Haotal. I am Nilaleg's auntie. I thought his mother. Unluckily, his mom and his dad has passed away, so we are looking after him. I'm very happy and I'm honored to be here today in the Felicitation program of your school, and I'm so thankful that you have raised our ward, so to say, my nephew, our children at this stage, and I'm really thankful to especially to Sir Genius, because whenever I call him, he is always available. That's the quality, and that's the different. I should say you are different from any other school, because Genius is always available. So thankful. I'm so thankful to Genius. But I am not very close with the principal and mommy. That is because Genius is always available there. So he is so good. Your mommy and daddy is lucky to have a son like Genius also. Also, I would like to thank the faculty members who have struggled to bring our ward at this stage. Thank you so much. May God bless this institution to become more and more prosperous, and also to produce more and more good children who will be the future of tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Lunalen ki auntie, that flower it's down there.
I love the flower.
Okay, thank you so much. Lunalen ki auntie ni mag-yuksaran pa. School sibo aduki matik mga thagagpirami. Asigumba school city taite. Aduki mathagta Sir Genius sila yung bagita magtaso aduki matik nungaise. Haido na yung thagagpirami. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Marathat na ako'y arts